Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss non-simple curves. Non-simple curves, a curve that crosses its own path is called a non-simple curve. And a non-simple curve can be closed and also open. We'll give some examples of these closed non-simple curves. Here you see this is closed, right? And this is closed, and this is a non-simple curves, that is not simple curves. Here you see, if we take a point here you see we are taking a point here, right? If we take a point here, you see that it has four directions to go. You can go in four directions, that is you can go in four directions, that is in this direction, in this direction, in this direction, and in this direction, right? Therefore it is a non-simple curves, right? If the directions are more than 2, then it is a non-simple curves, and it is also closed. Therefore the example of closed non-simple curves is this one, right? Here also you say that this is a non-simple curves and it is also closed. If we take this point C, here you see, if we take the point here as C, this one, C point, in this point you see you can go in four directions, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Therefore it is a non-simple curve and it is also closed. Therefore this is the example of closed non-simple curves. That if the path is more than 2 directions, then it will be a non-simple curves. It is here, it is that there are 4 directions in here, therefore it will be non-simple curves. It is also closed. It is also a non-simple curve. It is also closed. Here you see, if we take this point here, let us take this point here, this point, and from this point you can go in four directions. This one, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? You can go in four directions. That means if you go more than 2 directions, that will be a non-simple curve. Therefore it is a non-simple curve and it is also open because there are two endpoints A and B, right? Here also you see there are two endpoints A and E and it is a non-simple curves. If you take this point D, here also you see that there are four directions to go. You can go in this direction, you can go in these directions, you can go in these directions, and you can go also in this direction. That means there are four directions in which you can go. If the directions are more than 2, then it will be a non-simple curves. Therefore in this case all the four figures are non-simple curves. In this case it is a closed, in this case it is closed non-simple curves, and in this case it is open non-simple curves. It is open non-simple curves because it has two endpoint A and B, and here it is A and E, right? These are the non-simple open curves or open non-simple curves, and this is closed non-simple curves. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.